Red?
Red, recording. All right, here we're out here with Rolf Reeves up on the property. How you doing, Rolf?
I'm doing just fine.
All right. What do you got to say? What do you got to say for yourself?
What do you show us our altitude?
Does the camera know that?
Well, of course it does.
How the hell is that possible?
GPS.
I'm showing altitude of 640? 640?
1222. You see 1222?
No, this doesn't have GPS. Liar. No camera has GPS. Fucking. He's a liar, okay? This is the face of a liar. He's a good guy.
That's all on video now. That's what we want to know.
Does that thing mean your battery's that low?
Oh, you're pointing it down. Oh, careful.
Gotta get a smoke. Gotta get a smoke.
What are you trying to do there?
All right, well, tell us a little bit about yourself there, Mr. Reeves.
Not a whole lot to say, but you see this out here? Take a look. Move the camera slow, John, otherwise it gets real jittery. No, you gotta move it real slow.
And here is the troublemaker, Rolf Reeves.
You gotta move the camera slow.
Go for a ride.
No,
Head up there, and I'll take a video of you burning off.
No.
Yeah, come on.
It's running out.
Yeah, you're really low on battery. Now hit it again.